Hi everyone. Today we're visiting the house of the man who made one of the greatest archaeological discoveries in history, Howard Carter. This modest home in Luxor was where Carter lived while searching for the lost tomb of Tutankhamun. And in 1922, that search changed history forever. For years, Carter believed Tutankhamun's tomb was still undiscovered, even when many experts had given up. In November 1922, after years of searching, Carter uncovered a sealed doorway in the Valley of the Kings. When asked if he could see anything inside, Carter famously replied, "Yes, wonderful things." That moment became one of the most quoted lines in archaeology. Tutankhamun's tomb was remarkable not because the king was powerful. He wasn't. It was remarkable because it was found almost intact. Over 5,000 objects were discovered inside: golden shrines, jewelry, chariots, furniture, and of course the iconic golden mask. The discovery reshaped global fascination with ancient Egypt. I filmed some of these treasures in my Egyptian museum video. If you'd like to see them up close, I've added the link in the description below. The house was built in 1910 and served as Carter's residence during his excavation work in the Valley of the Kings. From the outside, it looks simple, functional, and not grand. But inside these walls, plans were made, maps were studied, and dreams were carried. Let's step inside. As we walk inside, you'll see Carter's office, his bedroom, a reconstructed darkroom, and other rooms that reveal how he lived and worked here. The house gives insight into the daily life of an archaeologist in the early 20th century. From this house, Carter organized the excavation, documentation, and preservation of the tomb's treasures. The house sits on the west bank of Luxor, the same side as the Valley of the Kings. This side of the Nile was associated with the afterlife. It feels fitting that Carter lived here while searching for a tomb that had been hidden for over 3,000 years. Standing here, you realize something powerful. History doesn't always happen in palaces. Sometimes it happens in quiet houses like this, built from patience, doubt, and persistence. If you enjoyed this walk inside Howard Carter's house, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next adventure.